All right, a piece of Tulsa's history is in need of a little tender, loving care.
That's where you come in.
News on 6's Alyssa Miller is live at Tulsa Spotlight Theater to talk about its first volunteer day. Good morning, Alyssa.
Good morning, guys. Yeah, there's so much history in this 95-year-old building, and that's what this volunteer event is all about, is preserving that history. I'm here with board president of Tulsa Spotlight Theater, John Beasley. Tell me a little bit about the Tulsa Spotlight Theater. How long has this building been here in Tulsa?
So as mentioned, about 95 years. It's a Bruce Goff design. He was, I want to say, 24 years old when he designed this building for local piano teacher Patty Adams Schreiner. And yeah, it is truly a Tulsa icon. Everybody recognizes it as you come down Riverside Drive. And so maintenance on a 95-year-old building is expensive. It's difficult. Our air conditioning unit barely made it through the summer, just holding on. So in order to replenish some of our building funds, we do an annual yard sale, and then we've combined it with some other things this year. So it's an exciting event for us.
And tell me, who's kind of helping you all get this thing off the ground and get this volunteer day going?
So the volunteer day, we were actually approached by an organization called Abandoned Atlas. They work with Preservation Oklahoma, and they do just general cleanups of, you know, older, historic, oftentimes abandoned, as the name implies. We are far from abandoned here. But so Friday, I will have a lot of our volunteers in here just cleaning out all of the spaces. There are rooms in this building that things have been piled up. I haven't seen the floor in years.
And that's where these items came from, right?
So a lot of what you see here, everything you see here is from somewhere in this building. So we're going to be digging through the basement, pulling everything out. We have to downsize as we work on the restoration and renovation of the building as it approaches its 100th birthday. And so in order to do that, we got to take stock of what we have and see if there's some things that we can sell in order to help raise money for the renovations, the restoration, general maintenance, again, which is always a challenge for us.
And these things go back decades, right?
Yes, yeah. Many of these things have been props that were used in the past that we just haven't used. They're just taking up space. We have had some of the board members donate. I love this Francoma pottery that we have here. These were all donated by a member. These are for the Democrat and Republican parties. They date back from the 1960s through the 90s. We have, you know, a bunch of those.
Yeah, and you can get your hands on them this Saturday at the Volunteer Day. Tell people the time and place.
Right here, 9 to 3, we'll have a donation from Donut Hole for breakfast in the morning. Pie Hole is bringing out some pizzas for the afternoon. It's going to be a great day.
Yes, and a great way to preserve the history of this 95-year-old building. So important to our city. Back to you guys.